crowd that's all about playing loud and proud. You see a cloud, I seek to speak, now it forms into a mic. Sight, now it storms, lyrical phrases, a crowd that praises. Moses deleted that still amazes. Drop by drop it rains, hip hop, no bomb, no top, no killer, no cop can stop. The top lyrics insane, from sane in your brain. You feel pain, the rain is now a hurricane. Start to pray, today okay, because hurricane mode may blow you away. Yes, the lyrical king will bring a thing called swing to your body as you start to sing. It's raining, hard as hell, not soft as foam. It started well, and just that poem I'll throw will flow and grow. You fear how dope. So whenever you hear my information, situation, lyrication, you'll tap your toe, penetrate your hell no, I rap over, under, along with thunder. As a leader, let the listeners wonder, how did he get the last poem set to opponents on my threat they will never forget. Yet I let my rhyme rain jet, you're my pet, and I bet now you're soaking wet. You cry while I'm dry, a star in the sky. Why? It's because I am waterproof. On the roof, you were in the cellar. Bow the leader, bring your umbrella. There's a rainbow, chances are none. There just ain't no way to stop the non-stopping rain of rhyme that keeps dropping on your head, hard as lead. It must be said, who ain't down with me should've stayed in bed. So creep, go to and keep asleep. You should've cheat, plus you and D. Water, I guess I oughta start a harder rhyme so you won't bother with Moses again. It's raining, but what, my friend? Every drop is a letter, a better, a lyric, down to drown any empiric. You can't win, so don't even try. It's raining round, son, from the heavenly sky.
Rhymes, it's raining rhymes, rhymes, rhymes.